In the world of business, a business needs to have a social media presence. And in order to survive, they really need to showcase what they do and how they do it authentically to actually sell their products and services. So social media is not a waste of time, it's an opportunity to showcase who you are and what you can do for others. My name's Leanne Peard. I'm a social media specialist educator and trainer, and I deliver a Cert 3 in business. I basically started as a rookie in 2004 for my own business and used social media to accelerate my SEO online, and within 10 months I actually generated $500,000 in sales. So I saw a massive gap for local businesses and businesses to use social media. So I've been self-educated since then.
My name's Shane Gilmore. I'm the owner and director of Joe's Pizza FNQ. I found out about the social media course through fellow business owners here in Cairns who were having the same issues as we were having with the social media, and heard about it, and I approached the guys and did the course. Leanne was our trainer. She was outstanding, very knowledgeable, very willing to help, and I don't think there's anything she didn't know, to tell you the truth. Any strange questions we had or anything we thought might have been silly was easy fixed. The course helped our business immensely. Operating online with a pizza shop is very important. You've got other companies that do massive online presence and so you have to stay up to date with what they're doing. Online ordering, funneling everything back to your business as well. It's all linked these days. It's really important.
The magic, as I say in the course, is our workshops where we deliver Facebook marketing, LinkedIn training, video marketing, Instagram marketing, how to build a website and blog, just to name a few.
I definitely would recommend the course. It's the knowledge you don't know and the things you don't know is what's important, and making it easy for you to get your day done. With the changes with social media every day and every month. If you don't stay on top of it, you'll never achieve anything.
Just contact My Pathways office and talk to Helen, or give myself a message and move forward from there.